first grade. Today is Monday, May 4th, and today and Wednesday we're going to be talking about coins. Today we're going to investigate coins, see what we notice about them, and on Wednesday we're going to be counting coins. In your stream kit, you should have a small plastic baggie that says money bag, and it has some plastic artificial coins in it. If you like, you could go ahead and pause the video and go ahead and get out your money bag, and that way whenever I investigate my coins here, you can be investigating your coins along with me. Or if you have some real coins at your house that you would like to investigate, as long as it's okay with mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, then you can use those coins instead. Okay, well the first coin we're going to talk about is a penny. And the penny is the coin with the least value. It's the least amount of money. It's just 1 cent. And you can see on the front of our penny, we have a picture of the President Abraham Lincoln. And on the back of pennies, on the back of older pennies, we have the Lincoln Memorial, which was built in memory of President Lincoln. And then on the back of newer pennies, we have the Union Shield. And the penny is copper colored because it is made out of copper. Okay, the next coin we're going to talk about is a nickel. And a nickel is worth 5 cents. Now, if a penny is worth 1 cent and a nickel is worth 5 cents, how many pennies would we need to equal a nickel? That's right, we would need 5 pennies because let's count our pennies as cents. 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. So 5 pennies equals 5 cents and 1 nickel equals 5 cents. Well, a nickel, you can notice, is a different color. It's made out of copper and nickel, and it's a silver color. And on the front of a nickel, we have our President Thomas Jefferson. On the older nickels, we see the side of his face, just like in this picture. But in newer nickels, we see the front of his face. And then on the back of nickels is the Monticello, which was Thomas Jefferson's house. Okay, the next coin we're going to talk about is the dime. Now the dime is the smallest of all of our coins, but it's not the one that has the least value. A dime is worth 10 cents. So if the dime is worth 10 cents, how many pennies do we need to equal a dime? That's right, we need 10 pennies. So 1 cent, 2 cent, 3 cent, 4 cent, 5 cent, 6 cent, 7 cents, 8 cents, 9 cents, 10 cents. So 10 pennies equals 10 cents. 1 dime equals 10 cents. And then, how many nickels would we need? Remember, a nickel is 5 cents. Let's count the value of our nickels and see. 5, 10. We would need 2 nickels to equal 10 cents. And on the front of a dime, we have our President Franklin D. Roosevelt. And then on the back of a dime is a torch and 2 olive branches. Now, the next coin, I did not include this coin in your money bag, but the largest coin is the quarter. And a quarter is worth 25 cents. And on the front of a quarter, we have our President George Washington. And then on the back of regular quarters, we have a bald eagle. But then on the back of a lot of newer, interesting quarters, we have states or scenes from America. And I have a little poem or rhyme that was included in your stream kit that you can use to help you to learn the value of the coins. So it says, penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. Well, this week for your assignment, I want you to take some time to investigate your coins. So you can use the coins in your money bag or some real coins you have at home. But I want you to look at them and see, what do you notice on the coins? What do you notice on the front and the back? What size are your coins? What color are your coins? Compare them to one another. Which is larger? Which is smaller? And then I would like you to write three. I'd like you to choose one coin and write 3 sentences about it. You could write about what color it is, size it is, what do you see on the coin, how much is the coin worth, how many cents. But I hope you have fun investigating your coins, seeing what you can learn and notice about them, and I look forward to reading your sentences. Remember to start each sentence with a capital letter, put a finger space between each of your words, and end each sentence with punctuation. And I'll see you again on Wednesday. Bye.